Wanderlog App Travel Planner, Itinerary and Road Trip Guide. Your travel plans and itinerary simplified. Plan, organize, and map your trip in a document designed just for travel. Easily import your flight and hotel reservation. Perfect for road trips. Magically get the best route. See time distance between your destinations. Find the best places to eat or things to do. So yeah, kind of popular app. You can see in top charts of US App Store. Yeah, so if you need this kind of itinerary app, this is one to try out. And then you can just open it up. And then you can just sign up with Apple. So then you can see all this long onboarding. Probably they just gonna ask you to upgrade right away. And then there is $32 for 1 year, and then just set up your profile. And then this is basically, you can see all of the notes, places to visit, trip dates, guides, and expenses. And that's the idea. So kind of like AI itinerary planner. So, and then you just ask the chatbot. And then yeah, you can see they're just being added and reservations. So yeah, kind of the idea of AI app in here. Deals and promos. There are a lot of deals which you can get, and yeah, so that's the idea of the app. So try it out.